ahead.
Can be at South 4th and University. I don't see the vehicle plate. I just have trailer plate 5528 Nora George 5528 NG.
Copy.
From Lincoln Way Drive.
South 4th Beach.
We are northbound on Beach from South
88 PID, the driver, Tim.
Just ran my vehicle, Ames. Just ran my vehicle.
Around.
Ames 88 here still northbound on Beach, coming up to Lincoln Way. He backed up into my vehicle. Just blew the stoplight at Lincoln Way and Beach. Blew the stoplight Lincoln Way and Beach. Still northbound, just lost the trailer.
88, if he's that reckless, just coming into college area, went back off. I'm coming down, ran about 13. If I can get a location, I'll put stop 6 out.
Clear traffic. We are southbound on Wallace. Southbound on Wallace.
Wallace.
We've got an ISU unit with him.
Westbound Union. Westbound Union.
Yeah, what do you have for pedestrians out and about?
Yeah, there's pretty light. He's going the wrong way, northbound, up past Rockwall, wrong way.
I'm sure we know the suspect, so we can probably back it off. Get some good containment. Hey, we see you through the central campus.
Through Central Campus.
What you got on him, 88?
Hey, 88, we got shots fired. He tried to ram us again. Shots fired.
Is he still in the vehicle?
And we have one who's unresponsive in the vehicle. Vehicle is still running. We are in Central Campus by the Campanile.
The subject unresponsive near the Campanile at 1029.
Ames, ISU's got that trailer over at the old RCA. It's going to be a problem with traffic. We've got plenty of units on scene here. We can slow it down. I'll take the trailer. I'm sure we know the suspect, so We can probably back it off. Get some good containment.
Hey, we see through the central campus.
Through Central Campus.
What you got on him, 88?
Hey, 88, we got shots fired. He's trying to ram us again. Shots fired.